Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of features on the application of WhatsApp. You will go to settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will go to this sign and you will search about WhatsApp and you will enter. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. And then you will click on first stop as you see here, then we click on storage, and after that we click on clear cache. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.